Hey there, I'm Khalid from Kate, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design, and in Kajutator I talk about anything to do with Autocad. So, if you are still kind of new to this, or you have not worked with people in other departments, Xrefs will be something you don't really know much about. But if you are someone like me, or if you're like most people who work with other people, or who like to trace in Autocad, then Xrefs are good for you. So let's just get to the video. So right now I have a basic floor plan. It was a clinic that I designed a while ago. So what I want to do is I want to be able to draw on this in another file. Let's say for example somebody sent me this file and I want to do my work on it, but I don't want to touch this. I don't want to modify it because I'm not sure if these walls would move or if anything would change the next time I get this file. I'd want to create an Xref of this. So the first thing people would usually do is save as. So I'd save this as an Xref. Usually people put Xref in front of it so you know. So I'm gonna save it as Xref Clinic. I'm gonna save it. It's saved. So if I'm coming now to a new program, let's say, where are you? Let's say I want to now import the file and I want to do my stuff on it. The first thing I'll do is type Xref, and this is a new box that comes out. So this box is your Xref major tool. This is where you attach the previous drawing onto this so that it would be untouched. So if I go here, this is basically just a refresh, this is a help, and this is a list of anything that is attached to this drawing. So right now this is drawing 3, and this is the only thing that's attached. So if I want to attach the previous plan from before, I'll go attach DWG. So going to DWG, I'll have to go back to my files where it was, page jobs. I called it Xref Clinic. There it is, right there. So this box is gonna come up, which has a name. Browse if I wanted to change it. Just a snapshot of what it is. I'm gonna put it as an overlay. So imagine tracing. You're gonna overlay this work with yours. Scale, you want to specify that on screen. That is up to you. This is your insertion point. This is where you want to put it on your screen. I usually specify where it is. Scale I don't really, because I hope that it's gonna come in at the scale I want to work with. Path type, full path, rotation, everything is like that. So once you know everything, if it's a block and everything, you just press OK. Because remember I wanted to select where it goes on site, so I'm gonna put right there. So everything that is attached to that drawing will all be here. So right now that's the file. Right now this is an image from the file. This is a PDF, which is my logo on it, and these are other things which are unreferenced. So this is how you know that they are loaded. So this is opened right now. This is all loaded to it. That's the size, that's the type, date, my saved location. So once I have that, I can close this box now and I can start to draw on it. So let me just zoom out and go to my drawing. So right now if I wanted, I could start playing with it. I could say, okay, I want to break this wall in half. I want to do this. I want to offset this by 6 inches. Add another wall, or maybe we should close this wall off. This door off. I want to copy this. I want to paste it down here. Oops, sorry, my mouse is pretty slow today. I don't know why. Yeah. So if I want to do things like that, I can draw on it, but I will not compromise the original file. So let's say I want to even add things. Let's say I want to add furniture. Where are you? Furniture pieces. Yeah. So this is a block of furniture I have. Let's say I wanted to add just a bunch of furniture. So I would copy with base point. just paste. Just paste all that stuff over here. So if I wanted to start playing around and I wanted to start adding things, I could do that, right? Come on. So I wanted to add the chair here, and I wanted to rotate it 45 degrees and move it in there. You know, just wanted to spice it up a bit and put this nice piece of furniture inside. Oh, that's huge. Okay, we're not gonna use that actually. We're gonna use a much smaller one. Yeah, so we're gonna put this in there. Should we add a carpet? Let's see. We could add a carpet. Why not? So that would be on the floor. Bring to front. So, see, so I could modify this and I wouldn't compromise the original file. So, the good thing about having this is, let's say the other file was modified from the engineer. Let's say this wall was taken out. And I said, okay, we're demoing this whole part. This whole part is gone. We're just gonna turn it into a livable space. And let's say they sent it. So let's say they saved the drawing and you got it again and you try to import it. See, it's told me it's changed. So I'm gonna reload it. So if I reload it, you see the whole spot is changed. So if I was drawing on this on the original file they sent me and they changed it, then I have to take all this stuff, put it back there and modify it again. But now that I'm just using an Xref, I can just work with the changes that's been given to me. So basically that's how Xref works. Hopefully I explained it properly, but Xref is used especially when a drawing is separated between parties. So let's say an engineer needs your drawings, or an interior designer needs your drawings, and you know that the modification is happening all the time. Using Xrefs is what they would use because it makes their lives much easier. If they were drawing on your drawings, it would actually be very terrible. So yes, that's how Xrefs works. Let's visit it one more time. So if you want to import Xrefs, you either attach the DWG, the image file, a DWF, a DGN, or a PDF. Let's say the name of the file changed and I wanted to reload a different Xref altogether. I would go here, saved path, or found at, click there, and I can have a completely different one, a completely different file that could replace it. Let's say they change the name of it, because this is always going to connect to the name of the file that was sent to you. So let's say the architect changed it to version B. You'd have to go there and look for the version B, and it will modify right here. So that's how Xrefs work. Hopefully this wasn't complicated. It should be easy. But anyways, if you got any other questions or if you got any other tutorials you'd like me to go over, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment box below, and please don't forget to like this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. It pushes out my videos to other people, so that's a good thing for both of us, right? Anyways, that's been another video of Cagitator, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.